The incredible survival of Ernest Shackleton. The beginning of the adventure. In 1914, Sir Ernest Shackleton set out with a crew of 27 men on a ship called the Endurance. Their goal was ambitious, to be the first to cross the entire continent of Antarctica on foot. However, nature had a different plan. Trapped in the ice. Before they could even reach the continent, the ship became trapped in thick pack ice. For 10 months, the crew lived on the ship, drifting slowly with the ice. Eventually, the pressure of the ice became too much, and the Endurance was crushed like a toy. The crew was forced to abandon ship and camp on the floating ice. The Great Escape. As the ice began to melt, Shackleton realized they had to move. They took 3 small lifeboats and rowed through freezing, stormy waters to reach Elephant Island, a desolate rock in the middle of nowhere. They were safe from the water, but they were completely isolated from the world. No one knew where they were. The 800-mile journey. Knowing his men wouldn't survive for long, Shackleton took 5 men in a tiny 20-foot lifeboat named the James Caird. Their mission? To sail 800 miles, 1,300 kilometers, across the most violent ocean on Earth to reach a whaling station on South Georgia Island. For 16 days, they battled waves as tall as buildings and freezing winds. Miraculously, they reached the island, but they landed on the wrong side. Shackleton and 2 others then had to climb over jagged mountains and glaciers for 36 hours straight to reach the station. The miracle. When Shackleton finally reached the whaling station, his first words were about his men. He immediately organized a rescue. After 4 attempts, he finally returned to Elephant Island. The result? Despite 2 years of freezing temperatures, a crushed ship, and near starvation, every single member of the 28-man crew survived. Why this story is exciting. Leadership. Shackleton never gave up on his men. Resilience. It shows that the human spirit can survive the impossible. True adventure. It feels like a movie, but every bit of it actually happened.